Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful single color Tassa saree, deep choco brown color, deep brown, very beautiful dark color with prints in yellow, maple leaf design. The pallu also have the prints and we have plain blouse piece. All over the body we have a butta type printing, the same color, contrast yellow color used. Beautiful dark saree with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful blue saree here, a very elegant indigo and royal blue, something between both color, and we have the rama green color used for the prints, cream and rama green. Beautiful body with a very contrast pallu. The pallu have cream half white color and blue with zari lines and block prints in the pallu, and we have a very contrast half white color blouse piece. Beautiful blouse piece, very different one with both sides zari borders. The complete saree is having zari border with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful dual color pallu, orange and pink in the pallu with zari lines. And we have the pink blouse piece, a complete contrast one. The saree here is in the same combination, mainly orange color, rustic orange color with prints in beautiful lower half alone and cream using the same orange as well as pink in the lower portion, and we also have pink borders both sides. An excellent combination, beautiful saree, a very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A blue saree here, beautiful blue, royal blue color, and top and bottom we have very elegant border design printed using blue, yellow and red, and we have a multicolored pallu, all three colors, the shades of blue as well as maroon in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a running color blouse piece, blue blouse piece with one side the yellow color borders. Simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful saree here with dual color pallu, so light blue and dark blue in the pallu, deep royal blue and light sky blue colors given in the pallu, and we have contrast sky blue color blouse piece. The saree here is having again a beautiful tricolor concept. The middle portion is light parrot green, and the top and bottom we have cream base with big temple borders done using top in the light blue and the bottom in the royal blue. Excellent concept saree, very beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful rustic color, rust and maroon mixed color shade saree with top and bottom mango design prints on the cream base using black, and the same block print design as well as the zari lines in the pallu with running color blouse piece. Same color, the body color blouse piece is given with both sides zari borders. Elegant saree, simple and beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very elegant pallu, blue and black in the pallu and dark blue used for the prints. It's a temple border, and we have same color, blue color, running color blouse piece with both sides zari borders, and one side we have black borders. The saree here is having a beautiful concept. Top portion is completely plain in blue and the lower half is completely half white with printing completely over black. Beautiful half and half type with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful blue saree here with top a very elegant cream base with pink prints. The very beautiful mango pattern it is. Excellent design. With same color pallu and blouse piece, running color. The pallu have zari lines as well as the same prints, and the blouse piece here is in same blue. Elegant saree, very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a blue saree with top and bottom fully in cream base with prints all over. Very elegant maroon and black prints, and we have the same multicolor pallu. The blouse piece here is also in blue, running color. Excellent saree, simple and beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed zari borders and done on a pure boiled acid washed tassa. So discharge printing here. Beautiful green saree with green pallu, and we have block printed design. Discharge printing, so mild prints it is. Done using half white color and same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The saree is complete green, and you can see the beautiful discharge printing. This is not a light discharge printing, so the prints will be really mild. On both sides we have the pattern which is very elegant, and we also have the peacock pattern printed. Beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful maroon color saree, beautiful shade with the both sides we have royal blue borders, and we also have a cream base in the bottom with floral prints. A very contrast deep royal blue color pallu, zari lines, and we have the running color body color blouse piece. The blouse piece also have both sides beautiful royal blue color borders. An elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful pallu here, cream, black and brown color base in the pallu with zari lines and block prints, and we have black blouse piece with one side the dark brown color borders. The saree is completely in black with top and bottom we have the border design running, and it is done using red, blue as well as half white. Excellent color. The zari border is also in the brown base. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful multicolored pallu, light blue, deep blue, and we have pink in the pallu with zari lines, and we have same color light blue color, sky blue color pallu, the blouse piece. Combination of the saree is completely in blue and pink. Saree is pink with royal blue color used for the prints in the body, and top and bottom we also have temple borders with very elegant floral prints in the half white color. The borders of the saree is light blue. Beautiful shade, excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful multicolored pallu here, pink, black and orange in the pallu with very contrast black blouse piece, one side orange color borders. The saree here is in pink and grey combination. Top it's completely plain pink, and the lower half we have cream and prints using grey color, and we also have the borders in grey. Excellent saree, beautiful and colorful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders and on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, grey pallu with pink in the end, and we have zari lines vertically. Contrast pink color blouse piece, completely contrast to the saree color. The saree color is grey with top and bottom we have cream, and on it a pink used for the prints. Very elegant design, leaf, a hearty leaf design, and we also have the pink in the borders. Excellent saree, beautiful combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful yellow and red combination saree, complete pallu is red with geometric prints all over. We are using black, and we have same red blouse piece, a light pastel beautiful red. The saree here is in beautiful mango yellow, elegant one with prints, a zigzag lines pattern, a geometric pattern again done using deep greyish green color, and we have the borders in red. Excellent combination, beautiful saree in excellent combo, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, deep grey and blue mixed color, and we also have red in the pallu with zari lines, and we have same blue and grey mixed color for the blouse piece. The saree here is in a very different rare color combination, a light green shade. It's in a mehendi green combination with the temple border in red, and the borders of the saree is also given in the same blouse color, cream portion with red and grey usage all over. A very pretty beautiful collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful blue saree with prints in both sides of the borders, black and red used for the prints, and we also have royal blue color borders. The pallu here is a double color one, very elegant dual color pallu with zari lines, and we have body color blouse piece. Elegant saree with beautiful prints, blue combination, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A multi-colored pallu here, black, blue as well as maroon in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a contrast black color blouse piece with one side maroon borders, completely contrast to the body color. The body color is center part is completely Ananda blue, and top and bottom we have dull finish half white with temple border done in black and red floral design printed. We also have the zari border which is in the base of black, which is an antique saree. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green shade saree, a very elegant green, parrot green shade with maroon prints on it, the pallu, and we have zari lines also with same light green shade, little lighter shade green for the blouse piece, which is same as the body. Body is very different here. The top portion is completely red base, maroon base with the green prints, and the lower half of the saree is completely in green with the printing in the motif type design. Very different one in a half saree model design, printed very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, navy blue and maroon in the pallu with block prints and zari lines, and we have a wine color, deep burgundy and wine mixed color blouse piece, a contrast one. The same color is used for the prints here, and here we have a brush painted design all over the body, and we also have rectangular blue prints and border design also in blue. Very elegant and beautiful collection, a trendy and new exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful rust color pallu with blue prints in it. We also have zari lines and same rust blouse piece with green border one side. The saree here is in a beautiful green shade with all over blue used for printing, all over printed design, geometric pattern in the borders and the butta type printing in the body. The orange borders adds beauty to the saree with zari border, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa by Tassa block printed sarees, premium quality with elegant color combinations. Here we have a light green color pallu with zari lines and zari border, same light green blouse piece, very different combination to the saree. The saree is in cream base color, mild sandal tinge cream, and we have a pink color birds design printed, and the printing is done in a very different increasing and decreasing kind of a staircase pattern. We also have the prints in the top. The borders of the saree is completely in the green pallu color base along with the zari borders. An excellent concept saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A grey and blue pallu with zigzag lines printed in the pink, and we have a deep grey color blouse piece, bluish grey. And the saree here is in brown and blue base, very elegant prints in green, and for the blue base we have pink used for printing. Excellent saree, beautiful color combination, very different and rare with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful mild red color pallu with floral design hand prints in the pallu vertically along with zari lines, and same red blouse piece, a contrast blouse piece with the body color border one side. The body color is a dull finish gold here, very elegant one. With the bottom we have grey with the prints in half white, which is a tribal beautiful animals pattern, and top and bottom we have the red borders in the saree. Beautiful and different colored saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful red pallu with block print design vertically done, and we also have zari lines with same red blouse piece. One side gold color given for the blouse piece border. The saree here is almost in a dull finish gold color. Beautiful one, plain in the top, and the lower half alone we have the prints on the grey base. It is a Pochumballi design, elephants and floral pattern printed. Thin border is also given along with the zari borders in the saree. Very different colored saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have royal blue and prints in the pallu, along with that zari lines also given in the pallu with same royal blue bright shade given for the blouse piece. It's completely contrast to the body color. The body color is in cream base with yellow prints fully given, and we also have border designs, and the zari border is on the bright royal blue shade. A very different and colorful saree with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, grey and blue in the pallu along with the zari lines, and we have the same copper sulphate blue color blouse piece with one side grey borders. The saree here is in cream base with all over printed using pink color, single peacock feather design all over printed, and we also have the border design printed using pink. The zari border base is here grey. A different concept saree, the colors are very different with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful light gold shade, almost light mustard yellow, with all over printing design done using half white and brown color. Border design is also given. And the blouse piece here is plain with both sides zari borders. The pallu of the saree is very elegantly done using the same border design printed vertically, and we have vertical zari lines. Beautiful saree, shuttle color, very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multicolored pallu, multiple colors, as well as a contrast blouse piece. It's a yellow, golden yellow color blouse piece with one side maroon borders. The saree is very different one here. We have a beautiful multicolored combination vertically given. See all over the saree, it's a vertically multicolored pattern with zari borders, and the borders also have multiple colors with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light sandal color, something between cream and sandal, very elegant color base with beautiful prints. It is a tribal pattern with elephants design indirectly being given, with the blouse piece that is also in the same running color. The border design also done. Brown is used for the printing, and we have pallu, which is also having very elegant prints and zari lines. Tree design as well as a beautiful design given. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. A very beautiful color here, a very different deep maroon and brown mixed shade with prints which is very different here, done using dark maroon, blue and half white color. And we have border design also given in both sides. The blouse piece here is running with the border design running in the blouse piece also. Pallu is also here in the same color with very beautiful prints in the pallu, vertically printed, and we also have zari lines which is given vertically. Excellent saree, very different one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful rusty orange color pallu with green deer design prints, very different and beautiful prints it is with zari lines. And we have same color blouse piece, the contrast one for the body. The body here is very pretty blue, Ananda blue shade, light and very elegant color. With the top also, one at a row, we have a deer printing. In the lower part, we have two at a row in the prints, the big deer prints in green, and the rusty orange color adds beauty to the saree. Elegant combination, very different and beautiful color combo with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful green saree, a deep olive green shade color, and we have top and bottom in cream base with prints in royal blue, and the pallu of the saree is also in the same green with beautiful zari lines and same color blouse piece. Excellent saree, the combination looks really beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a dual color pallu, yellow and green in the pallu along with block prints, and we have same green blouse piece with one side yellow borders. The saree here is in black base, the pallu extended here to here, and the body of the saree is black. The top and bottom in the cream base, we have magenta color used for prints, and the border of the saree is also in green shade. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a brown shade, brown and light peach mixed color saree with very elegant butta designs printed in the body. It's a leaf pattern. Top and bottom we have zigzag lines design printed using blue and half white, and we have a plain blouse piece with one side border design printed. Mango and blue color is used for the printing, blue and half white, and the pallu also have the prints as well as the zari lines vertically. Excellent saree in a beautiful different color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, and it comes with a very beautiful soft fabric, completely floral printed in the saree, done using brown, blue and white color, and we have a border design also which is the floral one, and the blouse piece here is running with one side the printed border, and the pallu is also having very elegant prints which is done vertically, same border design printed, and we have the zari lines vertically done. Different saree, the color of the saree is very different with authentic silk mark.